Hi, Keon. Be careful, sweetheart. Are you walking on your own? What are you doing? Come here. Come here, Keon. Come here. Oh, wow. Oh. Slow it down. Stay in your space, sweetheart, you know. Karma's a little picky.
And we'll see another time. Exactly.
Hi, Keon. You gonna put the remote there? Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, you're gonna push it. Okay. Nice.
You just have to finish filling in your